Hi, this is Jaire, your property geek, and we are here again at the flagship project of Greenfield Deluxe, only here in Metro Santa Rosa City, Laguna. So we are here at the corner lot, of this very beautiful modern tropical house designed by Leandro Locsin, which is right now for sale at about 120 million pesos. So as you can see, napakaganda nitong project na to because they are really very concerned with the open spaces. Actually, this 33-hectare exclusive subdivision, 45% of it is dedicated for open spaces, bike lane, yoga, tennis field, and the location of this house is very near this very beautiful self-sustaining social hall or clubhouse. And as you can see, on top of it is the walkable grass area. Ayan yung bubong or roofing ng clubhouse. And at this area naman, or at this side, nandito na agad yung gate natin. So I want you to appreciate this fully furnished house on the layout of it, na C-shape siya. So ano ba yung maganda kapag C-shape yung layout? Very inviting sa natural lighting. Well, planned when it comes to the future-proofing ng house. Mamaya makikita nyo, maganda yung pagkaka-layout ng bahay, yung mga material na ginamit. And of course, may mga solar panels din. And as you can see on our drone shot, kung gaano kaganda yung layouting ng bahay na to. So gusto ko lang mag-start dito para makita nyo yung facade, pero mas makikita nyo to dito sa drone shot namin. So tara, punta tayo sa harap ng bahay. So dito sa bahay na to, dedicated talaga ito, na talagang well-planned talaga siya sa future. Actually, hindi pa ito yung pinaka road. Nandito pa yung road natin. Itong side na to, we have bike lane, and then ito is the pathway, or pedestrian. Dito pa lang talaga magsisimula yung property line natin, which makes the road even wider. And at this side, we have a total of 3 carports. 2 for this side and 1 for the other side. And what I like about this, since malalaki nga yung roads, pwedeng maging parking ng visitors itong area na to. So at a wider angle, para mas makita nyo yung area, so ganito yung harap ng bahay natin. Again, this is a modern tropical house sitting on a 605 square meter lot area. And since this is future ready, of course, we have charger na for our electrified vehicles. And on this side, we have this gate for our open space. And dito rin sa kabilang side, since this is a single detached house, meron din ganitong gate na accessible din for our drivers and maids quarters. So let's go inside this house. So this house, ang laki, floor to ceiling din, yung wooden door niya with this vertical handle. And then, kitang-kita nyo naman kung gaano kakapal, or yung thickness, nitong doorway. And then, ang magwi-welcome sa atin on this area is our foyer here, and this very long and well-lit hallway. So, sara natin yung door para mas ma-appreciate nyo, Actually, mataas yung floor to ceiling height niya, and merong mga naka-open na lights. But, na-overpower siya ng natural lighting. Bakit? Kasi if you can see floor to ceiling yung mga glass panel sliding door hanggang dun sa taas. And then on our left side, this is our elevator going to the second floor of this house. Bago tayo pumunta doon sa pinaka-main area ng ground floor, punta tayo dito sa first bedroom, which is very near the main entrance. This is designed talaga na malapit sa entrance dahil ito, tinitignan ko to as not just as our guest bedroom, pero pwede itong bedroom for our grandparents, granny room, para hindi na sila umakyat sa taas. Or if you don't want to have a bedroom at the ground floor of your house, you can convert it to your office area. And floor to ceiling, ang ganda ng material ng kanilang cabinet. Ayan. And of course, you have your own toilet and bath here. Very inviting for natural lighting. You have the shower area. Ang ganda ng material, very quality yung material na ginagamit, no, for our toilet and bath for the bedroom number 1. Punta agad tayo. So, I like this layout. No? Ang aliwalas niya, very cozy. And again, no, makikita mo dito overlooking yung open space mo at this side of your house where you can like walk your pets, have your coffee in this area. Mataas, no? Ang floor to ceiling height. Punta tayo dito sa area na to where there is a glass sliding door. Pwede mong isara to. So, pwede mong isara to if you want like to minimize your electricity cost para mas lumamig, no? Yung main area natin, which is, nandito yung ating living area, dining area, and our kitchen area. And of course, if you want like to open this sliding door, pwede naman. Open natin siya. Yan. You can see me struggling opening it. Kasi ang bigat niya, ang laki niya. And then, kung gusto mo lang patayin yung aircon, kita nyo naman no, sa video, sobrang hangin. Isara nyo lang tong screen na to. And yan, pumapasok na yung fresh air into our house. Punta muna tayo dito sa backyard. So this is our main backyard, which is ready na for pool. Actually, provision to for pool if nakakakita kayo ng mga model houses ni Locsin. For pool talaga ito, pero hindi muna nila nilagyan ng pool para mas makita nyo kung paano siya kapag open space lang siya. Because not all of us wants a private pool in our house. So pwedeng ganito lang, pwedeng kayong mag-event dito, outdoor activity with your family, no? Mag-coffee here, mag-run ng mga pets. So you have this very wide and cozy backyard. And then, pag punta naman natin dito sa loob, so, nandito yung kitchen area. So, bibigyan namin kayo ng wide perspective here, iwa-wide angle namin, para makita nyo kung gaano ka free-flowing yung layout nitong ating main area, which is, yan nga, no, nandyan yung living area, kitchen, dining area, and on my location right now is our kitchen area. So, meron tayong island dito where you can bake. Habang nagluluto ka, pwede ka makipagkwentuhan sa family members, sa guest mo dito sa house habang kumakain sila sa dining table. So, very free-flowing lang. And ito yung parang pinapangarap ko sa house ko na walang masyadong partition, no? Para mas maaliwala siya tignan. And of course, lahat po ng nakikita nyo dito is already included, no? Sa pag-turnover sa inyo ng bahay. So, all of these, no? Pati itong ating cabinetry, kitchen cabinetry, stove, coffee maker, of course, this built-in oven and provision for 2-door refrigerator. And of course, nandito sa side natin, no, still air condition is our daily kitchen. Malaki pa rin yung open space. At the same time, we have another refrigerator for our meats, no? And meron ulit na stove and this area, no, where you can like prepare your food. And on this side, since this is a single detached house, this is the, kumbaga, daanan to, no, going to the maid's quarter and the driver's quarter. And inviting pa rin for natural lighting and airflow. Lakas nung hangin. Ito, sino mag-aakala na yung itong jalousie, no, mamodernize yung take niya, no, on this very luxurious house. And of course, on this side, nandito yung ating guest powder room. Ayan, this is powder room, accessible by guests, mga bisita nyo sa bahay. And ang gusto ko dito, hindi siya nagmukhang masikip dahil nilagyan niya ng malaking mirror, no? Not just on this side, but on this side also. So, sobrang laki talaga kapag nandito kayo. At saka kapag nakikita nyo yung area na to. Dahil sa dalawang malaking mirror. So, kung may mga condo kayo, mirror is the key, no? Malalaking mirror para mas maging spacious tignan yung area. Hindi muna natin gagamitin yung elevator. Gamitin natin tong stairs, in which these stairs, no, kung makita nyo, ang kakapal din ng thickness. So, iba yung material, very quality yung material, and I love this chandelier. Ang ganda niya. So, pag-akit natin dito, pwede ka nga mag-create ng altar mo dito, no? And then nandito yung elevator natin, no? Yung location ng elevator natin kapag manggagaling ka sa first floor and you will use the elevator going here at the second floor. And then meron ulit, no, na ganitong partition. And ang mag-welcome sa atin on our second floor is our master's bedroom. So nakita niyo itong partition na to, nandito yung bed, but let us take a look on this area muna. So parang they have their own entertainment area. Para siyang condo, no, condo style, na merong television, merong sofa, and then nandito na yung bedroom. Again, very inviting for natural lighting, napakadaming glass panels. Makakasave ka ng electricity cost, no, if it's daytime, like sa sinushoot natin ngayon. So, this is their master's bedroom. And then also, if you don't want like to have a television on your entertainment area or i-convert mo sa kung anong gusto mong maging function niya, pwede mo namang i-wall mount, no, yung television mo dito para katapat siya ng bed ninyo. Tignan naman natin here yung walk-in closet accessible sa ating toilet and bath. Yung walk-in closet niya, since katabi niya yung toilet and bath, which is considered, of course, a wet area, meron tayong built-in air condition dito para mas ma-preserve, no, yung temperature, hindi magkaroon ng molds, and nandito yung mga cabinets natin. And ang gusto ko dito, no, sa ano natin, master's bedrooms, toilet and bath, parang meron siyang sarili for the wife, no, and for the husband. And of course, we have our toilet and bath here, another glass panels, no, na malalaki, and the shower area. So again, this is a modern tropical house, no, kaya nakikita nyo sa design niya, ma-wood. And kilala naman si Leandro Locsin sa take niya, no, sa mga modern Filipino style. And on this part naman ng ating second floor is our family or entertainment area. No, if gusto niyo lang maging study area, pwede din, no? Pwede kayong mag-watch ng movies with your family bago matulog or during nighttime. And meron, of course, again, another common powder room accessible by anyone here in this house. And ito talaga yung gusto ko, another glass panels. Nakakalaki talaga siya tignan. Pero of course, gusto magkaroon ng privacy, kaya meron tayong mga blinds, no, around the area. On the left side, papunta ito sa rooftop, pero bago natin puntahan yung rooftop, tignan naman natin itong another 2 bedrooms. It's a total of 4 bedrooms. Again, ha, first bedroom sa ground floor, yung una nating pinuntahan sa second floor, which is the master's bedroom, and these 2 bedrooms. So, dito tayo sa isang side. So, same lang sila ng area, parang mirror lang sila yung katapat niya na room. Meron siyang sariling mini walk-in closet and then its own toilet and bath area. Very evident naman na high quality yung materials na ginamit sa lahat ng parts ng houses. And ito yung bedroom niya. Parang nasa hotel with its own study area, student or office space. And punta tayo dito sa katapat niyang bedroom, ka-mirror niya. Again, pagpasok, still, the kitchen, medyo nalito ako, parang inisip ko, ito rin ba yung pinasok ko kanina? So, mirror na mirror kasi, same material ang gamit, same orientation. Again, the toilet and the shower area. And this one is the location ng bedroom. Parehas lang din, no, kung ano yung tinignan natin sa bedroom number 3. So, naisip ko dito, if you have like, dalawang anak, no, boy and girl, so tag-isa sila ng kwarto. And malaki pa, pwede ka mag-double deck dito sa area na to. Punta na tayo dun sa favorite part ko ng house, which is the rooftop. Ayan, so, dadaan tayo sa stairs. Dahil nga ginagawa nilang future-proof, self-sustaining yung community, they have plants here, no? Mga herbs and spices like mint, oregano, rosemary, basil, eggplants, tomato, and nandito yung solar panels natin. Wow! And look at this view, Mount Makiling. And on this side, nandito yung Zadia. And on this side naman, Greenfield City proper. Ngayon, we're not just paying the house here. Again, no, for a 120 million house na pwede mo makuha at around 98 to 100 million if you will pay in cash, you are not just getting this beautiful house, you are also buying the location, not just inside but outside the subdivision. Because this is located at the township project of Greenfield Development Corporation here in Metro Santa Rosa City, Laguna, which is Greenfield City, very accessible to South Luzon Expressway through Eton City exit, the Medical City South Luzon, commercial development, and schools such as De La Salle University and University of Santo Tomas, to name a few. So I hope na tour ko you around. Again, no, nung nagsimula ako sa YouTube, na-cover ko na ito, but I want you guys to refresh kung gaano nila kaganda mini-maintain yung area, and updates na rin dito sa area ni Trava, kasi kung makikita nyo dito, ang dami ng ongoing house constructions, pati yung client ko, yung nasa perimeter wall, ang bilis, no? Ongoing na rin yung house niya, meron na tayong mga nakatira here, and the good thing here, meron silang mga certain restrictions sa house na bawal mag third floor. Lahat second floor lang, about 10 to 13 meters ang maximum floor to ceiling height. So, walang magiging obstruction sa view sa future, kasi kung makita nyo, kung may third floor, baka maharangan na yung ganito kaganda na view. So, lahat may equal view sa Mount Makiling, sa Laguna Bay, and a lot of open spaces here in the area. So, if you want to tour around the subdivision, this Trava, the flagship project of Greenfield Deluxe, and kung gusto nyo mag-design ng house, ayaw nyo bilhin yung bahay na to, they are offering, no, a lot which is at minimum of 600 square meter at about 22 million pesos with a stretch down payment term for about 2 years at 0% interest at around 200,000 pesos per square meter. So for inquiries, please do not hesitate to message me at my iMessage, Viber, and WhatsApp account, and my Philippine mobile number, which is +63927 185 1590. Again, +63927 185 1590. My Facebook page, The Property Geek. Please do not forget to click like and subscribe on our YouTube channel, The Property Geek. And if you want to directly message me on my personal Facebook account, that's Jaire Valerio Mamaclay. We are still contributing twice a month at the Manila Bulletin's Property Living section. Again, thank you so much for always supporting me as a breadwinner, no, who started my career as an industrial engineer by profession. Naging passion ko na po talaga ang maging realtor, most specifically here in Santa Rosa City, Laguna. So I hope magkita-kita po tayo, all of my clients, most especially not just locally, but of course in the US, Canada, and in other parts of the world. Abangan niyo po ako sa upcoming roadshows. Again, this is Jaire, your Property Geek, always inviting you to come home to the Philippines, come home to Santa Rosa.